Kajing ang not ki Pynbha jong ka Mawhati constituency ban Shna Pynbha no iki Surok ki belajot rathai hadu kata-kata kabala de ki pho snem ki Pynbha ki la sertok ha ka lei kawan ha ka kit ka ba khamtam ha ka pang ka shitam kumban shukdo kamat ban Shna Pynbha iki Surok ha Mawhati constituency ka de kamat ka ba khmat tam bar kabala slam bha ka ba ki Pynbha nong snong ka Mawhati constituency ki kinhun sang bhalang bapher na kapor syakapor kila jumi syakmat ban perta bandawa na ka sarkar ban Shna Pynbha no iki Surok ha Mawhati constituency kani kajing ang no jong ki Pynbha ha kani ka kenti lese kan la bon urlong no shen ha ka ba menta kasngi ka khatnyo tarik unailar ar labu yu Mawnongrim na ka benta ban Shna Pynbha no ka Surok ka Sdang nadu umsning lat jagiron hadu hasonidan ka badon ka jingjalan komba 20 kilometer ka bala penmang lengba Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project lane ka MITP ka ba onbei tengka da ka World Bank ka ba yeute Mawnongrim lapli Pynbha ru Myntri Rangbah jelau Konrad Konggal sangma hakajingi don lang uba dasakhyat bha lamare MLA ka Mawhati constituency uba ngai lang dhar uba wailat miki shilla MLA ka Juwai constituency uba Sostenus Sotun MLA ka Jirang constituency ba Victor Rani MDC ka Jirang ba Jason S Maulong MLA ka Umsning constituency ka Kong Magdalene S Maulong MDC ka Umsning Warpit Upadhya DC Ribhoy district Ugiri Prasad SP ka Ribhoy police ki officer na katanat PWD lembat ki officer jong kitanat bapher ki nongyelam snong bat ki Pynbha nong snong jong ka thain Mawhati ki balai poi ban sakhilang hakate ka sngi layathu bayakane ka Surok on Sdang ban Pyntrei no shen hakaba on Pyntrei da ka dhar construction company na lor kane ka Surok na umsning lat jagirot hadu sonidan la dabru ban Pynbit Pynbiang na kabunta ban Shna Pynbha ka Surok ka ban nadu sonidan hadu umsiang badia ka Surok ka ban nadu liarbang hadu maulasnai bat ka balik terter hadu sabuda bat kumju ka Surok ka ban nadu maulasnai hadu wa umken ladab ban penmang bat shen on sakhot no eka tender ban Sdang Pyntrei no ye kite ki surong
Pyntrei tadi kesi ngasukwa banoi pi mo mdei banga kelo dari mdei banga mut dakumoi pat Pyntrei kendiat kadang ni kata kejing sorong dan pihak umrona dan ni kendiat ke Surok ke ban kisapo Shna mendan bala balet bat kejing keren kejing khana ko bala persngo menai ni keren sikmat ki bapher kijing thok kijing nyau kijing bomla ke jangan ki bapher kiat no eke balala apa ka mau ti konstruksi ngaso dani gede kesni ke ban jawab yang itu barok bat ngakren ni kijing sobrit bat kijing sobrom bat hot lamdei bapi dan thok lamdei bapi krauti lamdei bapin perkenal yang ala musngi dengan tengala menjaitur regulasi pun yang wai untuk lokran Kawai Katu kalau perkenal ala kesni yang dah setiap bahala mereka umsnai Surok Mawhati kapoi urong no beta. Nah suka banyak tu ipi hani kendet no kam sulak setsu namar ba rangkat ke Surok Mawhati kadang satu lagi Surok kemakhluk perkhat pengimyo bat imat bala jur plat kecil kerku dan kecil pekerjaan yo lang sagata ko Surok kemakhluk perkhat data dari Surok Mawhati Biktik ang arti yung mutang sanction ke ba khatpratur sampulak bansnai Surok Mawhati but how to you banwan ngakmilti na idea minyo ben sa arpo klor bansna yo Surok Mawhati selo sutikil kempa tabalay bang kenmawi kini namar bang aku apa pi kini Mawhati konstruksi himdei bandu bersih teng hajing sya keren ben teng hajing sya thok teng hajing sya thok sya syukor hakiwai bidon dipor kuba buat mangaru kasdang ketu juga bersih rengan ong epi minum sokhat hoto dan kendiat kejing buli namar bangamut dan yele no sinokrem dan rei dan ngayele hangno ro kat barang don ni positif megalia yang apu de berklet namar ba yapi dinamo ki dalele ro ngamla klet
I was made aware about the fact that this road has been neglected for many, many years. And I knew this for a very long time. But what I did not know was that the last time this was repaired was during late P.S. Sangma's time. So being here today and laying the foundation stone for this very important road makes it even more special to know that we are able to continue the work that was started by our leader. And we are able to take things forward now to a logical conclusion. This road is of great importance not only for the people of the constituency, but it is a strategic road for the entire state of Meghalaya. Through this road, we get connectivity in a much shorter way to Jagi Road and then to Upper Assam. And the fact that it saves a large length or long length of distance and time makes this road a very, very strategic road economically. And we know that the entire area in this region and this district has a lot of trade that they do with Jagi Road and the rest of Assam. And hence, this has been a very, very important and critical road. Without going much into details, as I would not be in the right position to divulge all the information, but in the coming years, and please mark my words, that in the coming years, Jagi Road is going to be a very, very important location.